Hey, my beautiful Aries friends. Welcome to Spirit Says So Tarot. This timeless reading is from your collective angels, from your archangels to your earth angels and all the different layers of angels in between, your ancestors and late loved ones. So we're going to go ahead and get started on shuffling. If you like to skip right to the reading, feel free to fast forward. Spirit, please provide divinely guided messages for our beautiful Aries. What messages do the angels need them to hear at this time when they are drawn to watch this reading? What do they need to know? This is the Archangel Power Tarot, by the way. And we are moving on to the Tarot of the Divine. Spirit, same intention. Please provide divinely guided messages for our beautiful Aries. What do they need to know? What do they need to hear? What is it that the angels need to convey? What is going on? Thank you. We now have the Light Seers Tarot. Spirit, same intention. Sorry, I was checking on my dog. Please provide divinely guided messages for our Aries highest good only. What are their angels and their ancestors, their late loved ones? What do they need them to know? Thank you, Spirit. I want to tidy it up. We now have the Oracle of the Fairies. Ash. Spirit, same intention, please. Collective messages from Aries angels. I like that. Aries angels. What do Aries angels need our friends to know? Thank you. And we now have the Super Retractor. Very cute deck. Same intention, Spirit. Collective messages for our Aries from their angels. What is going on? What do they need to know? What do they need to hear? And we are winding down to the Crystal Angels. Fun fact, Diane Virtue is the same creator of the Healing with the Angels deck here. Same intention, Spirit. Healing with the angels. Same intention, Spirit. All right. If you have stuck with me and did not fast forward, hey, thanks. I appreciate you. Okay, so we have romance. We have romance in another reading for this round. Your angels are definitely watching over what's transpired in your love life. This could also be about loving yourself. So let's see. We have Ametrine. Balancing masculine and feminine energies. Allow your feminine side to creatively inspire you and your masculine side to give you confidence. A lot of purple. A lot of passion. All the purple here. When I surrender my will to the care of Spirit and the universe, I attune my energy with an ever-present stream of well-being. So again, this romance could also be talking about loving yourself, taking care of yourself. Excuse me. I'm sorry. Abundance. Prepare yourself for incoming abundance. Release any mental blocks you may have. In fairyland and in human land, there is enough abundance for everyone. Now, of course, abundance could be relative to practically anything. An abundance of love, an abundance of romance, an abundance of money, food, materialistic things, ideas. I could go on and on and on. An abundance of spirituality. All right. So at this time, you are presenting strength and patience. You are treading lightly. Maybe for yourself. Self-care, but I feel like you're treading lightly for others. The Hermit, you are in a quiet stage right now. You're keeping to yourself. You're being gentle about the situation, this concern. Five of Pentacles out. So right now, you are definitely in a stage that you're having trouble seeing, looking forward, but you're trying to stay strong. So with the Five of Pentacles, usually that is, with it being the earth element, it could be something medical, it could be financial, a situation that has set you back. But this could also be relative to a breakup or a loss of a loved one. But what you need to pay attention when you get the Five of Pentacles is there's a key here for that keyhole. And if this young lady would just look up and notice the key, she'd be able to unlock that door and go in and change her situation. So you are in a position right now to where you just kind of need to look up. Get out of your your hermit shell. The world, I feel like for this position, your angels are telling you that you could have anything and everything that you want. Look at the colors. Look how beautiful they go together. But you can have anything and everything you want. Your angels definitely see that for a potential for your future. Something recently came in fast and hit you hard. Something to do with some kind of a relationship. It could be a business. It could be somebody that you know through a business. There may have been loss. Maybe they left the business, or they left you, or they've passed on. I don't feel like it's a loved one that's passed on, but maybe someone that you did care about deeply. But something came in fast, hit fast. I almost feel like it slowed you down. Whatever came in hit you hard, slowed you down. And that's why you've been showing patience and courage and strength, but you've been standing alone. And you have been concerned, sad, not really being able to see an answer moving forward. So your angels are saying that you do have the potential in your near future to get everything back together again, to collect yourself again, be in control of your emotions, be in control of keeping certain people at bay. I feel like where her hands are up in this Queen of Cups, that it's a matter of maybe keeping something at bay. And that could be keeping your emotions at bay, keeping your sorrow for what came in fast or left fast at bay. You could also be attuning your energy, receiving the abundance of love. Right now, you do have the outlook that you do have choices. You know, you have the devil. This is for your attitude position. Not that you have the devil's attitude. You have choices to make, and the choice is to lift yourself up and move forward. Collect yourself, collect your emotions. Move forward so you can have the world in your hands. The Hanged Man, yeah. So those who are around you, your earth angels, the loved ones, the physical people that support you throughout your life, throughout your career, throughout your relationships, your besties, everybody collectively. This is their perception of you, what they think of you, and they all are saying that you need to change the way that you're looking at your current situation. This is all intertwined with romance, and we're gonna really connect everything here. Ace of Coins, yeah. All right, so your angels are saying that someone soon is going to be coming in with an offering, a new beginning. And it's going to have to do with, I want to say, teaching. It's going to help you with that new perspective. It's going to ground you. It's going to allow you to go back to being your Queen of Cups or King. Take it how it resonates, please. But yeah, so you're going to have a new offering coming in that's going to offer to give you this new perspective, to teach you something that's really going to help you get grounded again and learn to look at perhaps romance in a different way. Okay. 4 of Swords. It was in a reverse. I typically don't do reversals, but I was very careful to make sure that all my cards were upright. So we're going to go ahead and go for it. So normally the upright 4 of Swords is resting, praying. And with this being in a reverse, if you don't take this new beginning, your angels are saying that you're going to have a hard time sleeping. And you're just going to not be your grounded spiritual self. You're going to be avoiding your spirituality. You're going to be avoiding your loved ones because they're telling you, hey, you need to look up. There's help on the other side of this door. Don't be such a hermit. It's very unfortunate what has happened in your recent past. Okay, they all feel that. But you have potential to get yourself out of it. You have an abundance of support, an abundance of love, and your angels are saying that romance isn't always about how you perceive it idealistically. Get it out. There are different perceptions to romance. And sometimes you have to love and lose. Again, this could very well be about loving yourself, allowing the angels to love you in a very spiritual manner. Where you've been a hermit, you have been trying to be spiritual, but I feel like you've been denying spirit as well. Spirit feels it. Balancing your masculine and feminine energies. So your feminine side is going to need to let your masculine side take over for a bit. And make the choice to take the new beginning offered, to learn something about your inner self that's going to help ground you. Remember, Pentacles is about grounding its earthly possessions. So the better off that you are emotionally, physically, mentally, the better off you and those around you are going to be. And you won't have the issue of sleeping at night. You'll be back to praying and sleeping well and being guarded. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get Gabriel's, Archangel Gabriel's message. 4 of Gabriel, very nice. Time for a celebration, abundant rewards for hard work. Release yourself from burdensome situations. All right. So Archangel Gabriel, as all of you, or at least most of you, probably already know that he is the angel of good news from our Creator. And celebration is in your future. There is romance. So I do, because this is kind of also known as the wedding card. See the bride and groom in there. So you really need to look up, because you do have an abundance. I'm not going to repeat myself again. You can replay it if you want to hear it, but you will overcome this sad situation that came in and hit you hard and hit you fast. You will. All right, my beautiful Aries, you all are very strong, confident. You're typically relentless, so you're going to overcome whatever the situation is for sure. You're going to tune your energy with an ever-present stream of well-being and balance your masculine and feminine side. So that also means that you do need to allow yourself that me time. Your angels never, ever, ever want you to feel like you can't express your emotions and your feelings, and you always should. All right. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and close this out. I hope that this reading resonated with you. If it does not, that's perfectly fine. Please like this video anyway. Perhaps share it with someone that you know may resonate with it. To all of my recurring subscribers, thank you very much for your continued support. If you are not already subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification button so you know when messages from Spirit are coming in for you. Until next time, take care. Bye.